grippier tires if I want to do grippier things, but something about driving an old car just makes me happy. Check this out. So my dad just brought this up. Z50, first year bike. Tank's not original. I gotta find an old one, but I want to clean it up, leave it original paint, and just get a different seat and tank that are equally crusty, and then put like a Lifon 125 motor on it or something. I don't know. That's another project for another day. Oh, that copper tone Stingray is for the copper tone bike that I built. That's at my house. That one's a 64 also, but it's a lot of hours later. It's like 8:50, so almost 9 o'clock. Laura and the kids are at the cottage this week, so I am still super grumpy. So I've been here for like a half an hour and I'm working on this car. I've got the return line mostly run and the fuel pump I just put in. So little sketchy on the setup here to get the fuel pump back in, but it's bolted in. Now I just have to connect the power stuff here and then connect the fuel lines to it. Then I think I can like prime it and see if I can get the car to start, which is pretty sweet. Like, I haven't driven this car since I dropped it off at Thompson, like in March. So my plan was to take this car with my dad on the power tour, but that got canceled. So that kind of like eliminated all of my motivation to do anything, and probably is part of the reason why I'm like just grumpy all the time. Figured the only way to get over that is to do something. So I am gonna put this car together. Like, if I can get it to run tonight, that would be super sweet. I haven't driven it with the new K. I haven't driven it, like, yeah, whatever. It runs. I got no leaks. The Optima battery that I have is toast, and the little battery I have is toast. So right now the car is running with jumper cables connected to this car, which is pretty hacked, but got no fuel leaks. The gas tank isn't in the car. I don't have both bolts, so I can't drive it. I'm pretty stoked. I gotta take a video with my phone and send it to my dad. It's alive! I am so excited and relieved that this car runs again. I don't know why, like, the fuel line job isn't that big of a job, especially because the car has no interior at all. Like, it's super easy to do. I was just putting it off, got lazy. I started the project and I didn't have one of the right fittings, so then I ordered it, and then I've been lazy about the whole thing. So finally tonight, I just wanted to crank it out. For whatever reason, I was just being a bum about it. Like, I could have been driving this car a month ago if I wanted. This is the gas tank bolt. It's like I guess it's called a J bolt, and I couldn't find any anywhere like online or anything. So I ordered them from the dealer, but they said it would take like 10 days. And that was probably 10 days ago that I did that. So I'm gonna call tomorrow. I'll ask somebody to help me lift the gas tank up so I can put it back in the car, and then I can like take it for a test drive. Probably gonna go home and like chill because it is like 10 o'clock at night. Blah.